Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are just going to do a practice session on the graph of statistics. We have first question in which we have a cumulative frequency curve. It says that the height of 100 students are measured. The result has been used to draw this cumulative frequency diagram. So the cumulative frequency curve is going to be given. He says that you have to find a median. The median means you have to find a 50th percentile. We have talked about in the last class. Next, he says that you have to find the lower quartile, means you have to find the 25th percentile. The next one, he says that you have to find the interquartile range. Interquartile range is equal to upper quartile minus lower quartile. So let's see how to find the 50th percentile first of all. So the formula for the percentile is, yes, what is the formula for the percentile?
If the formula for percentile, it will be which it will be which cumulative frequency
And divided by 100 into
into the
total frequency. Now we are finding the median, so 50 divided by 100 into total frequency. So the total frequency in this word is
is
100. So 100 will be cancelled out, you will get
5.
50. So this value is going to be given on the y-axis. So move from y-axis to the curve and from curve to top. Now look at here from 170 to 175. Each block is going to be divided into two. So basically the two blocks make 1.171,
2,
172,
3,
173. So
4,
173, 173.5 because this is 774. So the median will be 173.5. In the next one, he says that you have to find the lower quartile. So the place will be 25 divided by 100 into total frequency. Total frequency is 100 as well. In this case, the 100 is going to cancel out. You will get 25. Now from 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, move to the x-axis. The point that will get 166 and 167.
2.5.
167. Because we have 165 to 170, so the first point will be 166 and second point will be 167. So get the lower 167. In the next part, he says that you have to find the upper quartile minus lower quartile. Lower quartile, you already find it. You need to find the upper quartile. So let's we have to talk about upper quartile first. You have to find the 75th percentile, 75 divided by 100 into 100, so it will be cancelled out. The final answer will be 75. Now move from 75 to the curve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 75 to the curve and then move down from curve to downwards.
It will be 179.5.
179. It's exactly 179 because it is 176, 178, 170. Sorry, 166, 177, 178, 179,
9.
and 180. So we are going to get the value of the upper quartile. The upper quartile is equal to 170, 175. So we need to find upper quartile minus lower quartile. The upper quartile is 175 minus lower quartile is 167. You subtract them, that will be equal to
Will be 175 minus it will be 8. 175 minus 167
yes.
it will be 8.
No, it is wrong.
You have to subtract these two, right?
177. So it's 179.
Oh, okay. So
You have find 179, not 75. It's 179. Now subtract them.
79 minus 167 it will be 12.
Yes, that's fine. Okay. Right. In the next part, he says that the number of students with a height greater than 177 centimeters, so greater than 177. So, so 175, 76 is 177. From here, you move to the curve.
So the answer for this will be 61.
So the answer for this one is
61.
it is 62.
Huh? Oh yeah.
It is 62. But the question was he says that you have to find for the greater than 177. So greater than 177 means it's a
Above
proportion.
177. This upper portion, lower upper quarter.
62. 100 minus
162 minus 40.
mm, it's not 162, it's 160. 63. So the total is 100. We have to subtract 63. Yes, that will be equal to
100 minus 63 it will be 100 minus 63 it will be 60 is 40.
it is 37.
37. Yeah.
All right, because he says that more values. So the more values are going to be greater than this one. So these
So
are
for
the
it
here.
will be 70 and 80.
Now, in the next part, he says that the frequency table shows the information about the 100 students who were measured. So you have to find the frequency 150 to 160.
The frequency 160.
150 to 160. So it's 0 to,
0.
so means the frequency is 10 here. Next, you have 770 to 160 to 170. So look at here, this is 660 and it is 170.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 35
5.
and it is
10.
10. So 35 minus 10
35 minus 10 it will be 25.
is equal to 25. So it is 25. The rest of 2 is already drawn. Use the cumulative frequency diagram to complete the table. We have done it. Calculate the estimate the mean of the height of the 100 students. We have to find the mean. You know that first of all we need to find the class width. If the class width is are same, 52, 60, 62, 70, 72, 80, 82, 100. So we need to find the midpoint first of all.
Okay.
So 150 plus 160, that will be 155, 165, 175, and 185. We need to find f into x dot. 10 multiplied by 155, that is 1550. Yes, use a calculator. 165 multiplied by 25. 165 multiplied by 25.
Yes, sir. Can you say that again? I can't hear you.
I'm saying that multiply these two
5
values.
minus 25, it will be 1, 165 minus 25, 140, 145.
You have to multiply the values. 165 multiplied by 25. It is 4125. 4125.
Well, 125.
Yes, do the multiplication next. 175 multiplied by 47.
So 175 by 47.
Yes, that is
8,225.
8225. Yes, 18 multiplied by 185.
So, sir, 185 times 18, it will be 3,330.
Sorry?
3,330.
2330. Right? Yes, it is clear.
Yes.
Now the formula for the mean is summation of f of x dot divided by summation of f. Just add them all values. Summation of f of x dot. Add them all the values of f of x dot. Yes, that will be 1550 plus 400, 125 plus 800 to 25, 3330.
So, we can fx would be frequency is 25 frequency.
Just add the values.
So 1,550, that would be
Your voice is lagging.
yeah, no, it's 1,550 plus 9,125 plus 8,225 plus C3 is 22,230.
17,230, right?
Yes.
17,230. So 17,230 divided by the total frequency. The total frequency is already given, that is
It is
100. So it is 172 point
103.
172.3 is your estimated mean. Yes, it is clear. Yeah. All right, let's see how to do one question from the histogram. Now, 50 students are timed when running 1 kilometer. The results are shown in the table. Write down the model time. Yes, what is the model time?
So the model time interval will be
Which group have a higher frequency?
it is which group it is uh, 6 0.5 to 7.5, 70.
No, this one has a higher frequency.
Oh, 5.5.
It is greater than 5.5 to 6.0. Now, in the next part, he says that you have to find the mean, so we will do the same thing. You need to find the midpoint first of all. Yes, 4.4 plus 4.5 divided by 2. That will be
4 plus 4. It will be 8.5 times 2. It is,
divided by 2, not
yeah,
times 2.
8.5 divided by 2. So it will be 4.25.
4.25. In the same way, 4.75,
4.75,
5.25,
0.25, 5.75,
5,
6.25, and 6.7.
0.75. Now find a product frequency or midpoint. Yes,
So
2 multiplied by 4.25.
what? Get it again? 2.
2 multiplied by 4.25.
So 2 multiplied by 4.25, it will be 8.5.
8.5. 7 multiplied by 4.75.
7 multiplied by 4.75, it will be 33.25.
30.
I can't. So
Say it again.
say 33.25.
3.25. Next, 8 multiplied by 5.875.
46
40.
and times
Yes, 8 multiplied by 5.75.
it will be 46.
The previous is 46. This one is 46
Okay.
as well.
18 times 18 times 6, 18 times 5.7. It will be 103.5.
Yes, next.
It will be 62.5. 62.5. So, and then the last one, 33.7.
Yes, last one is
33.75.
33.75. All right, now we have to find the sum of all of them. We have to find the sum of the frequency. We have to find the sum of product of frequency and
Yes.
midpoint.
Point
Yes,
5.
find 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 18 plus 10 plus 5. That will be
It will be 33.25 plus 46 plus 46. Then 103.5, 62.5, and 33.7. 3.5, 62.5, and 33%. 287.5.
287.5.
87.5.
What is the sum of the frequency? That is already given. That is 50 students.
Okay.
So let's see how to find it. The mean is equal to summation of f of x dot divided by summation of f.
Uh,
That will be 287.5. 87.5
Time
divided
upon
by 15. Yes, that will be equal to
287.5 about 50. It will be 5.7.
5.67.
Yeah, 5.7. Yeah. Yeah. the calculation.
It's clear? Now a new frequency table is made from the result in the table above. Complete the box. 4 to 5.5.
4 to 5.5.
5.5. So 2 plus 7.
2 plus 7 is 9.
4 to 5.5.
So we have to find the frequency, or the total frequency is 9. Then for 6 and then
For
for
the next
7,
one, 6 to 7.
it will be 6 to 7, 10.5 to 15.
It will be 15. So if 4 to 5.5. This one. So 9 plus 8, that will be 17.
Oh, okay, okay. So for this one, the
Yeah,
first one.
because it's said at 4.5 to 5.5.
Oh, okay. So this,
Just hold it. Now we have completed. On the grid below, complete an accurate histogram to show the information for the new table. The frequency density is already shown. It is started from 5.5 to 6.
5.5 to 6.
And this value is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 36. Let's we have to check for 5.5 to 6. We are finding the frequency density. We know that frequency density is equal to frequency over class width. The class width is 1.5. It is 0.5. It is 1. So
So
5.5 to 6. So frequency is 18 divided by 0.5. So it will be
okay,
it will be 30, right?
yes,
18 point divided by 0.5, it is 36. So look at here, we are getting 36. It is already drawn.
yes.
Now find for this one, 17 divided by
70 divided by
5.
6.
That will be
70 divided by, it is 11.333.
11.3.
3.
And for the last one, we have 15 divided by 1. Obviously, that is 15. So 11.3333.
Yeah.
So it is then 11. 11.3 is going to be middle. So 5.5. Because this length is going to be 11.3.
Yes.
For the next one, it is 15. From 6 to 7. From 6 to 7, it is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This part.
Okay.
It is clear?
Yes.
This is how you have to draw the histogram. Find the number of students represented by 1 centimeter square on the histogram.
Okay. So 1.6 square. So
Just go to the number.
1 centimeter square on the histogram. Sir, For the third question, I don't understand it fully.
Sorry?
For the third question, I don't understand it fully. The number of students on the histogram
Yes, the next one we have to find the number of students represented by 1 centimeter.
square on the histogram.
You have to take a part of 1 centimeter
Yeah.
here and you have to check that how many students are going to be showed here. So now we don't have anything that we are going to measure that from where up to where it is going to be 1 centimeter square because the values are going to be in kilometers. So this means
Okay.
that we have to measure a block. I'm not sure up to where it is going to be 1 centimeter.
Yeah. Um, one.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Because I'm not be able to, it's not a hard form, so I'm not be able to do it with a scale. So that's why I'm just looking for a mark scheme that what it is given. Okay, I don't have the exact idea, but for example, if I'm going to be talk about here, so look at here, approximately the 1 centimeter is making with the 5 blocks, all right, and the five
Yeah.
blocks up. So he's talking about this one is going to be how many number of students are going to be shown here. So if you
Okay.
are going to look at carefully, we have 5 students are going to be shown by this part,
By this
and
block.
if it is you are going to be take it here like this in this portion. So look at here, it is from
Yeah.
0.5. The distance from here to here is 0.5.
0.5.
The height is 5. You have to find the number of students. So 5 multiplied by 0.5, it will be
5 number
5.
5.5.
Clear? But
Yes.
obviously you have to use a scale. But I'm going to be just taking that the 1 centimeter is equal to 5 blocks. One, two, three, four,
Okay.
5. I just take this one is equal to 1 centimeter. Clear?
Okay.
All right, now we have 40 students are asked about the number of people in their families. The number of people in the family is this one. You have to find the mod. Yes, what is the mod? Obviously, the mod is the
Yeah.
most repeated value, right?
So it will be 1. The node is 1, then the median 1, 2, 3.
The highest frequency is 17. So the mod
Yes.
is 4. The median means the middle value. For middle value, you need to find the cumulative frequency first of all. 1, 1 plus 1, 2. That
2,
plus 17. 2 plus 17, 19. 19 plus 12,
It will be 19 plus 12 is
37, and 40.
10. Okay.
Now for median place
Yes.
is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2.
M plus 1 is equals to
The total
40.
frequency is 40 plus 1 divided by 2. That will be 20.5. That is, so 25 points means the 21st value and the 20th value. So look at here, the 21st value and 20th value is going to be like here. So we'll
Yes.
include that the frequency will be, the median will be 5.
Yes. Okay.
Now we have the next one is we have to find the mean. In the mean we have to be just find the product.
So the mean is
3 multiplied by 1 is 3.
3
4 multiplied by 17. That will
plus be 17 times 4, it is
be, that will be 60.
68.
1 is 28.
12 times 5 is 60. Is equals
Alright,
to,
find the sum.
the median frequency is 2 plus 3 plus 68. It is 5 plus 6. It is 73. Then 60. And 36%.
Yes, it will be
190.
190. So mean will be equal to 190 divided by 40. That will be equal to
This is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 19 plus 30. 190 plus 1 divided by 4, 190 divided by 4. Is equals to 4.75.
4.75. This is how you have to do this worksheet. Right? There are, maybe you have to see some more questions in which we have a pie chart and some other, but most of the questions that you have to see here